Hello everyone. Today on Shark and Cook, we are making an easy, delicious chili cheese dog casserole that the whole family can enjoy. So let's get started. To begin with, preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. You're going to need one roll of crescent dough sheet. So open this up and unroll your dough. I'm just going to roll it out so it has a better shape. Okay. Now you want to cut it into 8 pieces. Whoops. I'm just going to kind of separate them a little bit so it's easier to handle. Spread some cheddar cheese over the crescent dough. Okay, just spread it out. Okay, once that's spread out, you're going to place a hot dog on each of the crescent dough. Let me roll up some of this already to get it out of the way so I have more room. Just roll it up tightly. When you get near the end, kind of push your cheese towards the hot dog end. And just kind of roll it a little bit to seal the seam. Or you can just pinch it. Continue with the next one. Okay. Just roll it and then pinch it. And I'm going to finish up roll in the remainder of these hot dogs. This is the last one. Now get a 13 by 9 baking dish, and you're going to want to spray it. Now pour the chili in that you have made ahead of time. You can use whatever chili recipe you want. It can be canned chili or homemade chili. This is just a simple chili. In fact, it's the chili on the back of the envelope of the chili mix. I just followed that. I doubled it up though, because if you only make the 1 pound, it won't be that much on a large dish like this. So now place your hot dogs on top next to each other. You're going to take 2 tablespoons of melted butter and add your chives, 1 teaspoon of chives, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and mix that up. Then you're going to brush it over the hot dogs. Want to coat it, use up all of it. Okay. Now once that's done, you're going to place it in the oven and bake for 30 minutes. If the crescent dough begins to get too dark, then cover it up with foil. So see you in 30 minutes. This chili cheese dog casserole really looks good. So let's give it a try. This really looks good. Mm. That is really tasty. Really delicious. All that cheese. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment and tell me if you think you might make this. And I'll see you at my next video. Bye.